What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, I'm going to be introducing a brand new project that launched last night that I am extremely excited about because I believe it's going to be taking a significant amount of market share from the AI and trading space as a whole. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you're new around here, consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. You guys know I like to preach transparency, and typically if there's any sponsored content on this channel, I mention it right at the beginning of any video. But today's video is not a sponsored video. I am a holder of this project, and in addition, I was a part of their V1, which is now migrated to this brand new rebranded evolution of a token. So let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, the cryptocurrency market is doing well overall. We know that we're expecting some spot Bitcoin ETFs to go live, maybe an ETH ETF sometime towards the end of the year, which we have about a couple weeks left of 2023 or Q1 2024, coupled with the Bitcoin halving and hopefully some strong earning reports in Q1. We should anticipate some significant volume and liquidity coming into the market. I'm talking trillions and trillions of dollars. If you're on CoinMarketCap and you're somebody that visits this site quite often, you know there are different categories. And if you look at the AI and big data category, it's obtained a significant amount of liquidity. $19 billion overall in terms of overall market cap, with $1.7 billion exchanging the hands of traders over the last 24 hours for volume. There's ICP, which is currently valued at a $4.4 billion market cap. Injective, which is currently at a $2.7 billion market cap. And these are all within the AI field. And I think AI has staying power. And of course, it's going to be one of the hottest topics come this next bull run. I introduced one project earlier this year. I made a YouTube video for it, and that was PAL AI 5 months ago on June 23rd, 2023. I shared it on YouTube at a $7.7 million market cap. And today, this AI project with their language learning models, their Telegram bots, and everything else is currently sitting at $138 million total market cap. Meaning, if you got in at the time of that recording, you are up not only 10x, but actually 20x from your investment. So if you put in $1,000, that valuation now would be right around $20,000. So I would treat today's project very similar to PAL, but in addition, they have some things that make it a little bit more exceptional, in my personal opinion. I'm a big holder of PAL, and I'm excited for it. Really, really excited for PAL AI, but let's go ahead and jump into this new project, and that is BLOX, ticker symbol BLOX. A couple things to just get off the bat here at the very beginning. Some of you, especially if you were holding the V1, which was the ticker symbol XRP, it was a meme coin. There wasn't too much substantial technology or unique utility with that project, but every single person that knows what XRP did, as a meme coin in 2023, it went to $130 million market cap, making it amongst the top 10 performing meme coins of the year. Let that sink in for a moment, meaning that these developers, the people around it, the investors really knew what they were doing. But most importantly, the community. The community was able to hold it down, although price volatility was definitely present on a day-to-day basis. And some people had to round trip their bags, including myself, from getting in at a sub $1 million market cap, walking and watching it grow to 130 million, and then seeing it go all the way down as the market was just getting destroyed left and right. It went down to a $3 million market cap, which is where BLOX rebrand and relaunch was created. So from 3 million at launch, currently it's sitting at a $14 million market cap. For those of you that were present yesterday, we had a launch party on Twitter. Make sure you're following the Twitter. Shameless plug there. If you're not following my Twitter or the BLOX Twitter, that's where I typically keep day-to-day updates. 2,100 individuals attended the BLOX launch party live, and it was exceptional. It truly was, because we heard perspectives from community members. We heard people discussing trading bots and what the whole idea and ordeal is about these things. But remember, that's what BLOX is all about. Their Gitbook is officially live, and anyone can go visit and read about the technology that is going to be released in the coming days to weeks and even months. But what excites me the most is if you are someone that's coming into crypto for the first time, you want the ability and understanding on how to trade cryptocurrencies, because what's the biggest barrier of entry? People tend to buy into crypto at the exchange level. If you're buying on centralized exchanges, so Coinbase, Binance, those are probably projects that are multi-billion dollar ecosystems or infrastructures, right? They've already built out a significant amount of market share already to where they are now listed on these big exchanges. If you get in at the micro level, what I like to discuss on this channel, speculation, early stage, even sometimes at the meme level, understand that that comes with a lot of risk, but you get a much better entry for those that graduate to bigger tokens that then get listed on these big centralized exchanges. So one of the hottest topics this year was sniper bots. Maestro, Banana, Unibot, you name it. All of these different sniper bots that were created gave people the ability to get into contracts or get into tokens at a very early entry, sometimes even prior to the project launching on chain. So pretty much immediately what sniping contracts means is you're able to buy in as soon as liquidity is added to that contract and it goes live. You are one of the first buyers on said contract. So with that being said, if you're able to get in on projects early, of course, your multipliers tend to get extended from there. And what BLOX is doing is they're building a multi-suite hub or ecosystem that is going to be all things trading. So you can swap, like you've seen with Shiba Swap, for those of you that are Shiba Inu holders that are on the channel, or if you've just seen any type of decentralized exchanges, that's what the swap mechanism does. From one token to another, say ETH to BLOX or ETH to USDC, that's what a swap does. But a sniper, and that's where things get quite interesting, is the ability to buy in immediately as a brand new project is launching. So what are they going to be doing that makes it exciting? On the Git book, which is down in the description below for you to read, it teaches you exactly what are the steps needed to complete a transaction via the sniping mechanism, giving you competitive advantage against the remainder of the market to get in on projects early. Because that's what it is, right? The earlier you get in, the better your exit is going to be if it does multiples or if the project does do well. So for example, imagine being able to snipe Shiba Inu. Day one, prior to it launching, it has some favorable type of attributes, meaning liquidity, either burned or locked. The developers have done all the things they need to do to ensure that this is a more safe approach to a project than maybe just blindly going into a token that launches on live new pairs. So what BLOX does with their artificial intelligence platform, in addition to its sniper bot, is it's able to kind of quickly look at and assess these different things, sometimes not at the sniper level, so prior to liquidity being added, but thereafter, it becomes aware of, hey, this has what it takes to potentially do some good numbers. So therefore, it will automate the buying process for you based off of certain conditions that are preset or that you can even edit as the investor or buyer. So BLOX AI, it's multifaceted, and you can see that BLOX AI stands at the forefront of trading intelligence, focusing on predicting profitability, market opportunities, and that's where things get exciting. The advanced AI tools shift through market data to identify potential high-yield trades, offering trades at a significant edge. Explore how BLOX AI can transform your approach to crypto trading, leveraging powerful analytics for enhancing profitability. And they mentioned this actually throughout their Git book, excuse me. I don't know why I have trouble saying that word so much, but again, they mentioned this time and time again. And the reasoning for my excitement is not only do I know these developers really well, I'm very aware of who Pack and Potter are. They've established their presence. They've established their ability to communicate with the community time and time again, and they refuse to abandon their projects. A lot of developers within the ETH space, the entire crypto space, forget just ETH, any blockchain, Solana, AVAX, you name it. Oftentimes, if a project fails, developers close up the books, close up the Telegram, close up the socials, and just walk away. But Pack and Potter refuse to do so, and that's what makes me so excited for them. In addition, if you go on their Twitter, which I'll again have linked down below, you can see some of the collaborations, and this one right here is what excites me the most. They mentioned that BLOX has officially collaborating with PAL AI, and one of the PAL team members actually came in, or I should say integral community members / team members, came into the space and gave his perspective on what BLOX is going to do. And he said, if there's a project that I've seen, and I quote to my best ability, I can't remember verbatim, but I quote, from all the projects that he has seen on chain and everything else that has launched this year, this is one of the most exciting ones for what these developers are doing. And their excitement is contagious to their project as well. So with that being said, I have given you guys opportunities on this channel time and time again. You always have to make the decision for yourself whether to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency. But this is going to be the one of many different videos that I will be creating for BLOX, because as an investor, of course, for me, I'm incentivized, right? I'm someone who bought into the project early on. I got in on launch in addition to migrating my XRP bag to BLOX token. But I think most importantly is what this is going to do to market share and how much market share will be obtained come the new liquidity coming into the market. Its user friendliness, its ability to be used on iOS, excuse me, on the iOS or Google Play Store soon, desktop versions. Remember, a lot of the hot Maestro, Banana, Unibots, all those different sniper bots are on Telegram. That's a specific niche. This is going to be its own platform on its own website, having its own abilities, if you will. It doesn't have to be confined to a single social media platform like TG. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Again, presenting opportunities, do your due diligence. Read through this manual. The BLOX manual, its Git book, is quite extensive. And as the utilities begin to roll out and I utilize them myself in trading, I will show you guys live trades and how I'm going about it. So again, thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support as always. Again, smash the like button to get this video out to more people. Consider subscribing. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace, everyone.